My name's Martine. I handle client relations at Ampere EV, and we're out here at Southfield Classics today to show you some of the drivability and livable features that come along with the Atom Drive powertrain system. When we're looking at building and engineering the Atom Drive powertrain system, we want to go beyond some of the kits that are out there or the parts off the shelf to really give people the creature comforts and the features that they want in an everyday vehicle nowadays. Whether you're building a beautiful truck like this or you're repowering a fleet vehicle, you need those everyday features like air conditioning, heating, cruise control, regen, and idle creep, and to be able to turn those on and off to suit your preferences. So we've packed a lot into the Atom Drive system to make it a complete powertrain. This truck has everything that we offer in it, so it's a perfect example to show you around the Atom Drive system. Okay, now we're inside of the white truck SC31T. So it's a replica of a 1952 Chevy. And when they built this vehicle, they wanted to make sure they had all of the features that you would get in a normal production vehicle of this century. So they worked with us and we were able to deliver all the features that go with the Atom Drive system. Most of the creature comforts with the Atom Drive system come through our touchscreen GUI. Every vehicle, every system that we ship out has a touchscreen GUI. You have your choice of 4 different screen sizes or a small round one that doesn't include some things like navigation or stereo capabilities. This one does. It has all of the features that we offer. So you have navigation up here. This will report speed if you don't have the gauges. You also have your vehicle controls, including climate control with AC and heat. You have your drive modes with Eco, Normal, and Sport. Decide if you want to have regen braking on or not. So you have that classic feel of an EV. So idle creep is when you let your foot off the brake. Does the vehicle move forward? You can choose yes or no. So you can have idle creep on or off. Personally, I like idle creep on every time. We have cruise control, so you can hit ready and you can set your cruise control or cancel it here through the screen. We also have the availability of an analog stock that will do the same thing if you're doing a fleet vehicle and you want the guys with their hands on the wheel. You have your odometer settings, so you can have your trip A and your trip B, and you'll slide to reset that. You also have functions in here like how much range you have left, how much energy you're using. You have your charge rate here. So you have your 110 volt, which is just a normal wall outlet. You have your level 2 220 volt, which is like a dryer outlet charger. And then you also have on this truck DC to DC level 3 fast charging. You don't have an option for that here. The vehicle itself just takes over once you plug in that charger and it'll charge up DC to DC fast charge for you. And then on your monitor page, you have your battery temp, your voltage, battery voltage, and your individual cell voltages, your inverter temp and your motor temp. All of these can be reported back out onto gauges that are compatible. So these are all things that people have come to expect with modern EVs that you're gonna want in a modern vehicle, be it in a classic shell or a fleet repower. You'll need all of this information, all of these creature comforts to be available to you and the drivers. We talk about this way more in depth in another video, and you can check that out on our YouTube channel. We're just gonna go ahead and show you what the power sequencing looks like when you turn on a vehicle. So we'll hit the power button here. You can see the power sequencing coming on. You can hear contactors opening. You can hear the VCO booting up. We go right into the screen here. You can take a look at the battery status. We have high voltage. If anything wasn't correct, if high voltage was unplugged, if something wasn't reporting back to the VCU, the high voltage would not have come on. You'd still have it reporting here in the screen and you'd still be able to see what the problem was. But on this vehicle, everything is good, so it all checks out, everything is safe, we can drive away. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and power down the vehicle. You're gonna see it shut down, and as we're doing that, just wanna restate that our engineers take great pride in delivering a complete powertrain package, more than just an EV kit. It's all the creature comforts and the safety that our builders and their clients have come to expect. We're able to do that because we take care of all the software on the VCU, and every portion of the system is integrated into that VCU. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them down in the comments. Check us out at ampereev.com. Of course, we're on Facebook and Instagram if you want to see more cool builds from our partners like Southfield. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Dante, permanently closed, my man. Permanently closed. All the barbecue spots are going out of business. That's it, right?
When do they close?
November 4th, 2024. Thanks for 21 years. What's up with this? I'm in the South and can't get barbecue.